Oh, scary as hell, man. Just walking, it's like, oh, mate. Hey, literally went down your...
Felt it on my cock.
I think you trimmed your hair.
Yeah. Yeah, there's less there now, for sure.
Okay. Safe, like you purposely bounce it, right? Because going over is almost worse, isn't it?
Yeah,
do you know what I mean? So if you come around, you bounce, yeah. Oh, fuck it. So annoying.
He's got the same phone as well, I hate that. Oh yeah, scariest thing in my life.
Yo! Yo! Nice.
Yeah, my foot's definitely take off.
Oh, fucking beautiful. Oh, that was so clean, man.
Hands were there.
Fucking close, man. Ah. Yo! Oh. Oh. Oh, it was so tidy, man. Oh, man.
Oh.
It's such a like step out of it, like you land on.
Oh, that was nice. Oh. Oh. Fuck yeah, man. Oh. Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, what's gonna bounce off?
Oh, mate! Oh, man! Oh, mate! Oh, that was so fucking good! Fucking yes! That's so good!
Oh, like a bird came, mate, a bird came, like this is not a joke. A bird came past, it was like glistening in the sun. I was like, he's gonna do it this time. He's just there like...
Oh, mate, that was so fucking good!
Mate, it's so good!
So I was thinking,
So good!
all I was thinking was like, I'm gonna do it today, so like just...
May as well just do it now. Yeah.
Fucking so good, man.
I'm back!
Champion!
I'm back!